Are your architectural drawings presentable? Imagine you have a presentation tomorrow, but in front of you is a 3D model that looks like this. So how will you transform a simple old model into something that's more expressive in under a minute? So all we are going to do is add some landscape. Okay, not that much. Add a dash of humans and maybe adjust for the population. And of course, the sun path. Better get that orientation. I'll add some numbers here and the street name. I wonder if this looks okay. Wait, I think I'll go with another look. Yeah, that's better. Okay, well, I'm done. All set for the presentation. You can do this and more with BlockMod. Visit our website blockmod.npanium.com and register for an early access to our product now. See ya!